Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what to do when you break your trading rules and you start to have a really bad loss. How do you manage it? What are the actions you should take and all that? And hopefully this video will really help you so you never ever get into that problem. So before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe. Also, make sure you check out my S&P Emini weekly trade zones and my 7-hour video course, only $99 for a one-time payment. That's it. So the link's down below, or go to daytradingfearless.com. Okay, with that being said, how do you manage a bad trade loss, okay? And what to do, how do you repair it, things like that. Well, time out, okay? Before we even go there, let's not ever get ourselves in that position. If you've been watching my videos, right, over the years, you know it's all about managing risk. I want you to always have a trade plan before you enter the trade. If you do this, you will never ever really get yourself in trouble, right? And you have to learn to stay disciplined, okay? Now, how do you control that? Well, before you enter any trade, you should always know exactly where your entry is, your target, and your stop loss. And once the trade gets triggered, you never move your stop loss to where you can have a bigger stop loss. It is okay to move smaller so your stop loss isn't as big, but you can never say, kind of like if I'm long at 35 and my stop loss is at 34, I can never move it below 34. Never, ever, ever. If you abide by that one rule, you will never have that one bad trade, right? Because you're abiding by your rules that you set up for yourself. I'm trying to make these videos so you can help or understand I broke all these rules. Don't do what I did, right? I've been doing this for 21 years. I've broken every rule there is. But now I sit there and I abide by my rules. It was a lot of work. I had to work really, really hard to stick with my rules. But I never get myself into bad trades because of that one thing, right? So real quick, going back, if you have a entry at 35, your stop loss is at 34, you can move it to 34.50, 34.25, right? But you can never move it below 34. The same goes with your target, okay? If you have a 2-point a target, so you enter at 35, your target is at 37, you can never move that higher to 38, 39, but you can move it if something happens with the market, you don't like the price action, you can move it down to 36 and not take as big of a take profit, but it's better than taking a loss, right? What this does on the psychology side is it really helps you to stay focused and never get yourself into trouble, right? It's almost like if you're doing a job and they tell you don't ever touch the blade, okay, let's say you're chopping wood or something, right? And they say never touch the moving blade and you'll be okay. Well, guess what? If you touch it, you ain't gonna be okay, right? So do that. Listen to what they say, right? Don't touch the blade. If you never touch the blade, okay, you will never get your finger cut off. Same thing with the market. If you have that trade plan of your entry, your target, and your stop loss, you will never have a problem, okay, of having a bad trade that goes awry. It's something that hopefully you will implement in your own trading. It'll save you a lot of pain and suffering and really help your trading get to that next level a lot quicker. So hopefully this video helps, guys. Leave a comment down below if there's anything you want me to talk about, make videos about anything you're having issues with. And as always, thank you for watching these, and we'll talk to you soon.